Hey guys, it's Seun Okimi and welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited for this video because you can already tell by the title, by what you're already seeing, no leave out, how I do my no leave out method. This right here, I have absolutely zero leave out at all. And I'm so excited to show you guys this method. So it's a VPart that I'm using. I've been doing VParts. I've been really liking VParts and I just sew them down. So it's essentially an alternative to doing a sew-in. It's a much faster version of a sew-in. And all I do is I take the clips off of the VPart wig and then I literally just sew it down onto the perimeter of my braids, and it's so quick and it's an easy alternative to doing a sew-in. So that's what you continue doing right here. And I only just sewed it down along the outside perimeter of the wig. And I just flat ironed the hair to prepare it. And this hair, I have all of the information about it down below. But now I really want to show you guys how I do my no leave out, because this, you guys already know if you have seen a little bit of it, like this has been literally saving my life. So I'm going to explain to you right now how I do it. So I start off, instead of like in that corner right there where I show you how you would usually have your leave out, instead of having your leave out, you're going to braid 2 braids, and that's where you're going to do the no leave out method. So I already started a little bit right here on this side and I braided 1 braid, but now I'm going to show and explain exactly how I did what I just did. I just grab my crochet hook, go up from under my braid, pull the hair through, open up the loop and take just 1/2 through to tie, then use the other half to cover up the knot in the braid. And then I'm going back and flat ironing it so that the texture can then match this kinky straight VPart wig. And as you can see, I'm only using very small pieces of this Cuban twist synthetic crochet here, and I'll link it down below as well. Again, I go up from under, latch on the hair, form a knot, and then use half of the hair to cover up the knot. And then I just flat iron the hair to get it to blend with the VPart, just like that. It literally amazes me every time I do it, even as I'm watching this back, like the power of crochet. I used to do a lot of crochet, like regular crochet, and that's what gave me the idea to incorporate it with my sewing, because guys, it literally looks so natural. And right now, once I've done the right side, finished it, I'm gonna go ahead and complete the left side. And as you can see, I left out a little bit of baby hair in the front and I was just flat ironing it to prepare it. And now I'm just cornrowing down the left side of my head of the part where I would have leave out. And as you can see, that tiny amount that I left out in the front, like that baby hair right there, I realized that that is quite crucial in making this look flawless. And I also left that on the other side, left that part out on the other side as well, to where there's just a tiny bit of hair that goes not just in front of the braid but also slightly on top of it right there. I hope you guys are, if you've tried this, I hope it works well for you and you do get better with practice. I feel like I've done this method a lot of times and I feel like I have just perfected this. Like it looks so believable. So if it doesn't work the first time, maybe you can try it additional times. But this is exactly how I do it. So I will just show you how you can do it and save your leave out. And then you just grab half of the hair, pull through. Just like that. So flat iron it to get it to match. Growing out my scalp. Huh? Seeing it here live. But yes, it's super natural. I love this method. So I'm continuing on with the right side of my head in the same manner using the crochet hook. And after I crochet each piece, I'm just flat ironing it. And I love the way this crochet here, once it flat irons, it matches really well, and the overall texture just looks super natural. Like everything together is just, it's giving silk press of your natural hair, which I really like. And I'm using the flat iron at around 200 degrees. You don't want to make it too hot so it doesn't melt. But the crochet here, honestly, it lasts the entire duration of the sew-in, or however long I leave the VPart sewed down in for. It literally lasts just like regular hair, and yeah, it's super convenient to use. In the past, when I've tried different variations, sometimes I can use human hair, like the actual human hair from the track, and I find that unless the hair isn't silky at all, it slips a lot. So that's why I actually really prefer using synthetic crochet hair, because I don't have any problems with the hair slipping when I'm tying the knot for the crochet, and it still lasts just as long. It blends perfectly. You can mix and match the colors, like color 2, color 4 of the pack hair, to blend it perfectly, and it also holds a curl with the heats. You can do pretty much everything that you would do to human hair with it, so I like it, and it's less wasteful because you're not cutting up your human hair tracks. But guys, the amount of people that I fooled with this method, like either they think it's my real hair or they don't believe at all that I have no leave out. Like, I'm so happy to have found this method. It has saved my leave out a lot. So in this method I showed you where I flat ironed it as I went, but sometimes I'll put all of the crochet hair in my hair and then I'll just flat iron all of it afterwards. So I wanted to include a clip of me doing that hair. I had put all of the crochet hair in first, and then I went ahead and flat ironed all of it at once afterwards. You can still see how natural it looks. I'm literally obsessed with this method. Like, if you see me and it looks like I have leave out, I probably don't. I probably don't, and I'm using this method. It has literally, is it dramatic to say that it's changed my life? Maybe, but it has changed at least the life of my leave out. I can protect my leave out now. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this as well. Let me know if you try it and if it works for you, and if it's also saving the life of your leave out as well. But yeah, you can subscribe if it was helpful to you for more tutorials as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.